Hello. So today I'm going to be discussing my own personal, reflection on why I chose the topic of gaming disorder. So, the reason I chose gaming disorder is because it's something, very, close to me. I've played video games since I was a young age. Not only that, my older brothers did. So I've my whole life, I've been, forced or not forced or just been put on video games. So I think it's very important because just as, the people, gaming becomes such a more popular thing, it's increasing and a lot more people are becoming addicted. And it's something that it should be well known because not many people realize that you can become addicted to video games. I didn't even realize until this course, which I'm taking now. It's really such an important thing just, to understand that it is actually a disorder and that, it can affect you and it can affect everyone around you because that's just what addiction does. So that's what it is. And not only that, I myself have, I feel I've been addicted to video games at certain times in my life. Really, it's just something that's such a big problem where I feel like, at times I wanted to choose video games and I did choose video games over, something such as, doing homework or just doing assignments or even, going outside and playing with friends. I'd much rather just stay inside and play a video game all by myself. Why? Because it brought me happiness and I was addicted to it. And it's something that I'm not afraid to admit. And I hope just by this video that I'm able to bring awareness of it. So it's something that's so crucial. So thank you very much. On top of it, what's crazy to me is that, even a large population, is increasing and even over 7% of people who play video games are addicted. It's something that's on the rise and it should be, brought to importance.